guys, my name's Dara and welcome to Dara's Daily. So if you don't know what Dara's Daily is about, it's kind of behind the scenes of my Dara's Den YouTube videos. Make sure you go subscribe to Dara's Den, by the way. I will make the link down below. So yeah. So today what we are going to be doing is we are going to be doing behind the scenes of transitions. I'm going to teach you how to do transitions. So yeah, it's quite simple. All you need is your device that you're recording on and a phone with a torch. It doesn't matter if it's Samsung, iPhone, BlackBerry, as long as it has a torch. So if it has a torch, you're good. So yeah, let's get into this. So obviously, to be able to show you what I have to do behind the scenes, I have to screen record this, so I'll be back in 2 seconds. Guys, I have lost my patience with my iPad. It keeps on falling. I'm gonna get up off the floor. It actually bruised my leg. Well, did it? Yes, it bruised my leg. Okay, this is my third try. The last try, it was sitting there. All of a sudden, it just went. And it dropped, nearly cracked, but it didn't, because it hit off that. So I better get this done quick because I don't have long to screen record, so yes. So you're just going to want to pick your sound, as I said, 3.
What you love, call me when you can. Turn up, show you that you. What you love, call me when you can. Girl, going up, going up.
Countdown. Gonna want to grab your other device and.
What you love, call me when you can. Girl, going up, going down, turn up, show you that you.
Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to want to turn on your light, your torch, and then go change this filter to grayscale and put it in slow-mo, and then up there, and then there you go.
What you love, call me when you can. Girl, going up, going down, turn up, show you that you can. What you love, call me when you can. Girl, going up,
So there you go, you choose your filter and you post it, like so. So yeah. Hi guys, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and go subscribe to this channel and my other main channel, Dara's Den. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.